So welcome to another GRAPE video. This one's going to be a car video actually. The other day, 2 days ago, well today's the 9th, so it would have been the 6th I believe. I'd have to look for sure, but February 6th, my wife has been wanting a different colored car for a while. She was him-hawing about a sports car or trade in the Equinox or something. And luckily she picked, in my opinion, the right way to go. But she went and traded in her Equinox for this one. It's 2024, 19-inch wheels with, looks like, hand-cook tires on it. It is an RS, all-wheel drive. It's got a little over 200 miles on it, I believe, right now. But I think she made the right choice. This one's got everything she wanted. It's white. It's got all the creature comforts inside. It's got a sunroof, which is what she really wanted. The RS package is actually pretty cool. It's a 1.4 liter turbo, and I asked them about different engines and everything, and this is the only engine you can get, no matter what package you select. But this is what it's about. So it is pretty cool. It's got racing stripes on the seats, rally sport stripes, I guess they call them. It's a little bit dirty because I've been driving it a little bit, but it's got black emblems. This is really actually a pretty cool looking car, but very comfortable. Gets up and moves pretty good. There's a sunroof, goes all the way back. Only the front part goes up and out though, so the back part does not. It's stationary, which is fine. Nothing wrong with that. It's got red stitching on this everywhere too, which is kind of cool. The steering wheel's got it too. You can see here. And along the dash. So it's really not that cheap looking like I expected from GM. But we bought it from Sid Dillon here in Fremont. This is the only one that had the sunroof in it locally for within about 100-mile trip or whatever. I actually put this on myself and this on myself, so I took it out of the old one that we traded in. But it's got plenty of cargo space and got stuff loaded up in there already. Got a spare tire. It's really a neat little car. But my plan today, I got something in the mail. My plan is to see if I can't get this emblem off, because I really don't like the black or the white or the red. Well, white. I love the white, but I don't like the red on that so much. So I went and bought some. I bought some emblems with the black and chrome outline. So still pretty clean. Here's my little turbo. Anywho, it is what it is. But my plan is to try to get this emblem off the grill. If I can get that off, the back one will just peel off because it's stick on. But I'm pretty sure there's nuts behind this on the back side of that. Well, you know what? Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I can just peel that off, huh? Anyway, I think I might just peel that off. We shall see. But a little windy out here, so I'm gonna go put it back in the garage and work in the garage a little bit. And yeah, hopefully we can get those emblems changed out. Probably won't get them changed out today, because if I ordered the wrong ones, the other one's got bolts on it for the front grille, and this one does not feel like it's got bolts in it, so I'm pretty sure it's just a stick-on one, which would be nice, really nice. That would be really cool, really nice. Anyway, we're gonna go with that. So I'll be back when I get the emblems or figure them out. All right, I got the front grille emblem off. It does have a couple locator pins, but for the most part it was just peel it off. I don't think that's going to be an issue at all. I'll try to get that off and see what happens. Hey, what you doing? So we got the emblem off. I had to use a little Goo Gone for the sticky stuff. My new emblem, there's the old one, but the new emblem does not have locator pins on it, but I think it's going to work out okay. I've got a little scribe here to pull the sticky stuff off. There we go. Doesn't that look much better? That looks so much better than the red. Oh, I wish I had one for the back, because the one I ordered, I thought this was going to have bolts on it, but it didn't. Alright, doesn't that look much better? I think it does. I like that look a lot better. Alright, welcome back. Today is September 11th, Sunday. I got a couple more things in for the Equinox, and most of you probably know me by now, but once I get something, I can't leave it alone. I gotta modify it somehow. But this logo is actually staying on pretty good. I think it looks great. So I got one on order for the back. It'll be here hopefully tomorrow. But I also thought about doing something else, and the wife agreed that it would look okay. Is underneath that Equinox, I put a little RS logo down there too. That way it'll distinguish it from others from the factory. So it'll be a little custom touch. I think it's gonna look good. So I'll be back when I figure that out. All right, I think we're ready to play with this thing. So what I'm going to do is put a piece of tape here. So it gives me a straight up and down line. And I thought I would do this right here. Need to figure out the spacing on that. I thought I brought my tape measure down here with me. We have exactly 1 inch between letters. So I'll drop this down an inch. Drop it down an inch. Yep, that's perfect. We got her down an inch. I'm gonna try to get this cover off here. That's why I use a scribe, because I don't have fingernails. So there we go. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. I think I like it. Now let's go do the other side. Alright, I think it looks good. Hope Darcy likes it. I hope Darcy likes it. But we're going to call that good. I think it's going to look alright. Everybody will be able to tell it's an RS now, huh? From the front, sides, and back. So that'll do it for that one. I think it'll look alright. If Darcy doesn't like it, I'll take them back off. No big deal. Not a big deal. So I'll see when I get the back logo, hopefully tomorrow. I'll be back and we'll put that on. So stay tuned. Alright, so today is still Monday, February 12th. We're going to be getting rid of this and putting this in there in place. I think that'll look better. I understand the red, GM, RS, SS, it's always red, but not for me. I gotta be different, you know. I'm gonna like the black, I hope. I know I will. I know I will. But to me, it's got to be all black or nothing. So we're going to take that one off and put this one on. That came off really clean. I'm happy with that. A lot cleaner than the front one. That'll be really easy to clean up. Get some goo gone. It's gonna be easy peasy, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Easy peasy. He likes he. No alcohol. We're gonna run this thing through the car wash tomorrow anyway, so it's not like it's gonna be mistreated in any way. But I think we're ready for the new decal. I think we are. So hold on a minute. Here we go. Here we go. I like that a whole lot better. Doesn't that look so much better? That looks so much better. I like it. So much better. That's cool, huh? I like it. Looks like it might be straight. I don't know. Hard to tell. My eyes might be crooked too, so I may have put it on crooked. Who knows? I do that a lot. So we're going to leave it at that. Alright, so that's going to do it for this round of videos. We've had this car for roughly a week. Well, not quite, maybe 5 days. Oh, 4 days. 4 or 5 days, I don't know. We got it on the 6th, today's the 12th. So yeah, almost a week. It's going to be a good car, I think. I already like it much better than the other one because it shifts better. The turbo's better. No lag that I could tell. And I like it a lot better. The sunroof's cool. Not a necessity, but it is cool. So yeah, we're going to like this one better, I believe. It just drives a whole lot better than the other one. I don't know if it was a difference in the tune or what the deal was, but that other one, I think, may have had issues later on down the road. But we're going to keep this one for a while, hopefully. And this one will be a good one, I hope. I like the RS package, I really do.
Alright, welcome. February 14th. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful colors, man. February 14th, 2024. Gonna be a easy day today. Just gotta get some window tint put on the car and the truck, and we'll be done. Beautiful morning though. I don't know how cold it is yet, but well, it's pretty chilly. 20 degrees. Oh yeah, it's cold. But anyway, talk to you later.
Welcome. Today is February 14th, I believe. Happy Valentine's Day, or should I say Happy Valentine's Day? That might be what it is for some people. Hopefully not everybody, but I'm sure that's the case. But today I went and took this thing into town, and I got the front windows tinted to match the sides, so it looks pretty uniform now, hopefully. And what I also did last night was I moved the RS underneath the X. I think it looks better that way. That way it's kind of flows with the word instead of just being there. But it looks pretty good now. I think I'm going to like it a lot. So how many people can say they gave their wife or their girlfriend or whatever a new car for Valentine's Day? It's a good car though. I really like it more than the other one. So, and I also took this into town this morning and got it done too. Got the windows tinted. I think it looks a lot better that way too. So maybe I'll keep the sun out a little bit. So anyway, it's kind of windy today, obviously, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I'm not sure what's next on the horizon. I got something to do with the Ranger, but so I'll get to working on that. But as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and most of all, stay grape. And we'll talk at you later. Bye.